like 3:20 in the morning, and we're up. It's Jamaica Day. I'm so excited. It's Jamaica Day, guys. Finally. After all the months of planning and organizing and getting everything together, it's finally Jamaica Day. So yeah. Plan to leave here about 4:30, so it's still kind of early. But yeah, let's get ready and to go to the airport. It's Jamaica Day, finally. Finally. This is the airport fence. You guys will see at the airport. Nothing too big, nothing too fancy, just something from the closet. Hurry up and get in the car. It's cold out here. Get in the car, TC. It's the time.
It's not sightseeing. Or you actually like 4 in the morning.
What?
Drive time.
Really, Lloyd? I guess I gotta drive to the airport. Oh, let me walk that way. Ain't no space there. Ain't no space there. Can you believe this? I have to drive to the airport. Who's supposed to be recording? If I drive to the airport, then you gotta record for me.
You have a daughter.
Nyla.
Hey, Nala.
Terry's. Yeah. So we made it through security.
We made it through security.
TSA pre-check. Well, I have Boba entry.
She got patted down. She got patted down.
I didn't even know the kids would be able to go through it. So we went to TSA pre-check. Now we're just waiting for Mommy and Donna and Jada. So yeah, we're in. We're checked in. I guess we should tell. He's not going. I think he just dropped them off. Where'd he go? Yeah, me and my one earring.
He lost her everywhere.
Oh yeah, I lost an earring. I just had to put earrings in, and I lost one. I don't even know where.
That's where it's actually in the car.
Ah, it's okay. Where if it's not? But yeah, we're here, guys. What's taking them so long?
Maybe because they TSA check.
We're at the airport, Georgia. Georgia, wave. Wait, Georgia, wave. Mommy, I said wave. We're at the airport. We're checked in. The airport crew, and my auntie using her husband privileges at the airport, getting through security fast. Look at her, and she over here cuss him. Look where you're going, Nala. She a cuss him, you know. I say she might get on her nerves. And look there, he makes you cut through security fast. They went through just as fast as us with TSA pre-check. Huh? All right, let's walk past it. I'm going to look a bit further. Oh, you need bathroom too? Yeah. Oh, let's move out of the way then. That's what I mean. Let's just come over this. So come over this side. You got a bathroom too? Yeah. Anybody see if you got a bathroom?
Oh, not me.
Oh, wait. We're at the airport. I should take
your mother's bag, please.
This is all she had, and she still take forever.
Oh, that's so you can see it.
Yeah. Huh? What happened? So go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom now. Leave your stuff. TC, you gotta use the bathroom too. The men's on the other side. Yes, I watch all the things. I will watch all the things.
Talking about.
They got me watching all the things. Look. We in the house. We out of here. We out. What? Hmm? And if I wasn't with y'all, if y'all people, if it wasn't with y'all people, I could have went there and waited for my flight.
You're flexing now. Yeah, yeah. I could let that slide, but you and your lounge, now you're flexing.
I could have gone to the lounge, but and no, we're good, thank you. They need to walk. I'm tired out. Eh. Y'all could not. You don't need to spread out so much. Come over here, so I know we one in the airport, you know. This new side of the airport is nice. It's nice up in this new side. They have additional restaurants and stuff. It's nice on this new side. United Terminal C. That's where we are. Why don't you put the bag on top? Why don't you put the bag on top? Oh. At least something smells decent. $100 million. Maybe we should have took the ride. Maybe we should have took the ride. I like this. Hold on, do we not? Yeah, don't we need to go this way? Mommy, you're not even looking up. You're just walking. We'll keep walking. See y'all when we get back. See y'all when we get back.
I think you'd enjoy this show.
Normal people.
It's like based in like Ireland, I think.
Mm. You know, I don't go on Hulu a lot because Hulu's always loading. It lags.
And the ad. What book was it?
He doesn't even read them when we're home. So when is he gonna read them?
What
Let me see. Oh, you're fixing it?
Yeah. Oh, he would have read that. It's a FNAF book. He would have read it.
How long do I buy them? I need to read them.
Actually, I bought them. It was at a.
How long?
It was
Whose money was it though? Oh,
What's that supposed to mean?
because he said he bought them like it was.
Oh, yeah, like he paid for them.
Her, he did that. Oh, your hair tie is coming
I
up.
told her that. Prince, what are you doing? Prince, please put the stuff back in the bag.
I got up. It's not good yet.
I'm trying to see your face.
They're not good yet.
That just started.
Well, okay, that's fair. You know what? I attempted it like a month ago.
With all that hair in your head.
No, like this was like probably like a month and a half ago.
Oh.
Like after I got my haircut, I think that was in like October or something.
Let me flip the camera. Got the ginger. We got the blonde. Now we got the ginger.
Fresh color, you know.
Yep.
If you're ever gonna do hair, probably ask Doreen because she's like the best person with hair.
Look at these two lovebirds. Only one's traveling. And y'all gonna miss each other that much? Eh? Y'all gonna miss each other that much?
Oh, you mean?
Eh?
Yeah, make sure man. You see,
So y'all go wait. Y'all go wait till them board the flight
You see, if me never out there, they would have just reach up at TSA.
I'm grateful for that.
They would have just reach up at TSA, you know, and I will get screwed.
We're grateful for that. Thanks to you and your prospect badge. Thanks to you and your prospect badge.
Is there a plane there? Oh yeah, see the wing.
Yeah, man, it don't
Yeah.
It's there. We're going to check on it already.
Yeah, I miss those privileges.
Hello, United customers. This is Bob Hoppe, the voice of the New York Giants. We hope you're enjoying the amenities here at Newark Liberty International Airport.
It is. It's kind of hard with the glare. did I tell you you could touch my bag yet? Please give me the bag.
No, not yet. He didn't touch it.
For that.
Would it be better if you would show me eating your donut?
Got me a cheese Danish, some iced coffee. What else we got in this cup? Oh, I got a yogurt. Got what?
They didn't have cranberry juice?
No, no, none of the places. Drink that better.
I was asking. I was like, is he
Got a whole bunch.
trying to say something?
Got a whole bunch of water.
God, they zoom in.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to
Oh, and I got grapefruit juice.
to Cancun.
And
We are
grape juice.
looking forward to having you on the flight today. If you have
That's what I got.
questions about this flight or the boarding
Orange and orange and beet,
please
yeah.
feel free to approach a customer service.
There's another one.
I want to catch. Oh, my knee hurts.
There's another one.
Hmm.
Oh, this one's getting ready.
Oh yeah, that
I'm
one's.
seeing that.
That one's yeah. I mean, it's a batching. They want up a batching of that, so they're full.
One more for sure. We definitely have.
All the way, all the way, all the way. This is our little kitchen. Oh fuck! All the way, TC, please. Oh,
Just go ahead and leave your bag in the open bins, okay?
okay.
Smaller items and
No
jackets
space, look.
until we found space for the larger carry-ons. Small items may be placed under the seat in front of you. Just
How
make
could
sure
you?
they
The
fit
computer does not have airplane mode.
keeping the area around the gate.
Yeah, you gotta shut it off when it's time to
Once you
take
have
off.
found your seat, please step into your row.
You didn't download the
Allow
app,
those
did you?
behind to pass.
But
Let us know if
I told you to download the app on
you
here.
said you were gonna do when you got home.
You didn't remind me, obviously.
You said I can. Since I can do it.
amazing. And just like that, we're back on the rock. This walk just as long in at the airport. All of the girls them love me. This walk. Yay! Oh, we made it. Say hi, Stitchy. Say hello. We made it. It's hot as hell. Oh my gosh. 1,000,001 bag we have. Let me look for one little money. Get it. Because I saw a steer traffic. Say hi guys, you're in Jamaica. It'll kill them if government and change. There's to take off his hoodie because he
Take
has...
off the jacket.
Why not window them and then take off the right this one? Now you go to change your this one. You go with it. Say hello, we're in Jamaica. No hello. Where you all go? No, yeah, so you still need your feet steer. We made it. We made it. Now come back to the place, go get no ticket, you know.
Make it. I think the estimate if you don't know what it is.
Exactly.
They're too expensive.
The Montego Bay sign again. The Montego Bay sign. It ain't go long, Martha. Everybody down here bad man nowadays, me see. So everybody a bad man. Be a killer down here. Yeah, when you talk.
Oh, run back your seat a little bit more.
Me?
Yes. And come out that mirror. You're right.
You put it on the eye. And we know what the first stop is. When you touch down, you have to go to KFC. Because we already know Jamaican KFC is the best. Fight me in the comments. You can fight me in the comments. Jamaican KFC is the best. Alright, let's go get some food. The food almost done. Sorry, everybody was hungry. Listen. This Jamaican KFC situation need to be fixed. It's ridiculous. It took us almost 2 hours to get through. We were starving, so we jumped in the car, went straight to eating. Everybody eating, and we had no time to record. We had to start eating and get on the road for our 3-hour journey. So, turns it on. So yeah. So I'll get back to you guys later. Bye. They're taking me into the bushes. We ain't road say no matter. No matter how much you tell when grown in a 2 years I come. That's not our problem. We on vacation, we don't care which one shot. No man, no one else will be shot. It is. No, it's like 40 minutes, if that much. I mean, when you're on vacation, who cares? But we have to go, we have to get on the hill, we have to go on a beach, we have to before we can relax. Never, you would never catch me drive on here. Driving, nope. I'll take the long way. And then we have to go on the other side of Pier Hill. Wonderful, oh yeah, take a long time. What? Here's a napkin. The suitcase? What about the suitcase? Oh, Jeffrey, fix the suitcase.
Ready again?
Fix the suitcase there. Okay, Nella said that one fix too. Fix the suitcase them.
Them a taste old man.
What is all?
I see a thing like a them a rotten.
What?
What does somebody fix now?
This suitcase them around here so true and for Nyla. Nyla said that I want me. But you have to come fix.
They don't know. Come on.
Finally made it home. We made it home finally, officially at night. What that? Oh, my big ass bag. Oh. Darling Brown! Here. Hmm?
Enough space.
Slide down, never roll my back.
Enough space. Don't worry now.
You wait and do it? I asked to know. I ain't care them guys sitting there. Don't say I'm slide them. Pick up when I want.
Ain't get them go shooting.
Alright. No bad broke sitting them. Bad broke the whole of them. Jamaican supermarket. Which one? Apple juice? But this or what about they have what about those? How much? How they sell it? 60,000 price and they find nothing. This is my cake. You know what? I don't even know how to finish out this vlog. I won't even lie to y'all. Today was something else. Today was something else. Today was as you know how travel days are. Travel days are a mess. Terrence is already ready for bed. Look at him. But yeah. I'm just gonna say, look at my Christmas cake. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.